Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off color palette on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if you have the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G and you have the icons just like this with color palette enabled, and I want to disable this, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn off color palette on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the settings application. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on wallpaper and style. Now under wallpaper and style, locate and click on color palette. Choose a palette based on colors from your wallpaper. Now this is the color palette. Then choose your wallpaper basic color. Now to turn off color palette, all you need to do first is go ahead and disable apply palette to app icons. Then again, locate color palette and then turn it off. Once turned off color palette, you see the color of the icons or color of your application reverse back to normal. You see that? Now, once you've turned off color palette, the next thing to do is go ahead and click on apply. And then hang on. Once this has applied, then should say the color palette turned off and then the color of your Samsung Galaxy A54 will return back to normal. You see that? So that's exactly how to disable or turn off color palette on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.